All right, guys, we got that ponytail. So we're gonna do the same thing. Instead of just cutting it straight up top, we're gonna angle it on a better angle. So I really wanna get like a brush that could really brush through this. Now remember, she's got nice short bangs because she loves short bangs. But now we gotta try to make this so it all blends nice, right? Very easy way to do layers. Here, I'm just gonna go up. So listen, I'm gonna press that in there. Go up, 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 up. See that nice angle? Let's do this one again. Make sure you're just like combing it so you could feel that hair going on that angle, because really all the hair should be up like this. Okay, so I really have to do a lot more right here. And then I'm gonna take my thinning shears, my chunkers, and really get in there and make it better. Okay, I'm gonna actually get a better one. Hold on. Right here are my really good cutting scissors for something like this. It'll be perfect. Remember, you have that ponytail straight up on our head. You're looking at like putting it on the angle the way it should be. You know, all our sections are always, the angle should be like this when you're doing really nice shorter to long layers. I lost a little bumper thing in here. It's so annoying. These are very expensive scissors, thinning shears. But I need to get that little bumper back in there. Okay, here we go. Sometimes I'll do a whole haircut with these thinning shears. Go in there, get all that bulk out. Yeah, that is gonna be great. And just comb it up again. Let the comb guide you. Yeah, that looks good. Okay. Now you can see all those better layers. Do you understand? That is going to be so many nice more layers. Let's take it out. Oh yeah, much better. And if you're like, you know what, she still wants more layers, then you're just gonna layer it more. I'm gonna show you how to even put more in there, but even better. See all those nice shaggy layers? Yeah, her bang. There we go. I don't know who originally cut her bang, but she likes a short croppy bang. Okay, a lot more layers in there, even than the shag haircut. So the wolf haircut, the piece in the front and then the piece at the top. A more layered haircut is straight up at the top. Now, even if you want more layers, you guys know, you're gonna do the beach ball. You go back here, you look, where's that layer? She could go shorter for sure. Like we can match this right here. So it should go up from there like that. The hair is not wet, so it's like funky to cut. It might be yak hair. Let me tell you, if you can learn how to cut on yak hair, you're gonna be a good hairstylist. Okay, so I'm gonna take my fingers and they're gonna go up like this. So when that layer comes down, it'll be up top like my haircut. Okay, because a lot of people say, how did you cut your hair? I want you to see, this is how I do my haircut. And now watch, if I go to the front, this is the mohawk. Yeah, exactly, just, see that angle? Going steep, and then we'll come back, because if they want length, you gotta start to shift it so that you're not taking all the length off. Okay, now I'm gonna go back to the mohawk, section 1. Let the comb guide you. And of course I would use my big thick thinning shears to really texture that. And then I'll take the next section. Remember, when they want length, you gotta pull it up higher. so you don't get the length. Okay, here we go. Get that off. And then the next section will be her length. But it'll be so many more layers. And there's still even more layers that I could do. Even after this haircut, I could pull it out to a 90 degree, or I could kind of go around and do it really like a shag, where this is more of the beach ball haircut, more like Farrah Fawcett, Jaclyn Smith. But you could also layer this more too. But we're just doing the beach ball right now. Okay, now I would take the next section. This would be section 2 in the beach ball. For more layers. I love layers. Layers, layers, and more layers. Layers are great. They're timeless, they're seamless. Everybody loves layers. Not everybody, but a lot of people. I would say, and they're back with a vengeance. Because every haircut, you could do a bob with layers in it. You could do a lob. A pixie is a version of this, just shorter. And this is section number 2. You have to make sure everything is nice and smooth, you know? So that's that. Now we're doing number 3. Now see where you can see that guide? See how you know right away where to cut it? Use your imagination. I don't have to go to my fingers. I'm going right here. That's it. Take that out, take the next section. Okay, comb it up. Look, just barely anything. Done. But that's because we did that other haircut on her. Now you probably barely need to do anything here. Yep, see? It's already set up for success because of the straight up ponytail. And I have to be honest with you, the wolf haircut to me is like, I don't know, I think they call it the octopus now. I like a little more structures to my layers, and I do like them PC, but I don't know, it's not enough layers for me for that wolf haircut. Okay, and right here, gotta do that. Done. That's it. Now I wanna show you both sides. See how much more layers is on here? So nice. And it's longer here. It's not as short. These are more systemized and much more like accurate, where if you blow dry it, it'll be seamless, beautiful layers coming down. Now we'll do the other side. Okay, so that was, we did beach ball pattern 1, 2, 3. Now we'll go to number 2. And really, this is where you're gonna need to do more if you want more layers, like, because the sides are kind of already done from the ponytail. So you see it right away. And trust me, the more you practice that beach ball haircut, you could cut that beach ball in 10 minutes. For real, 10 minutes. I could do it in a half an hour with a blow dry, right? The haircut's only 10 minutes because I have a pattern. And then the blow dry takes a lot longer than the haircut does. And because I have very good intuition, I feel the hair and I feel like, okay, does it need some texture here or there or wherever? So when I'm feeling that hair, I'm knowing where it's needing it. But that's from the many years of experience that I've done. That's why it's easy for me to do. And the more experience you do, and trust me, failure, when we fail, it's our friend, it's not our enemy. Failure teaches you what not to do the next time. See, right here is my guide, right here. I'm just gonna go up. And then I would point cut that to make it softer. See, it's pretty much done already. And now I'm gonna go to section 4, and that is right in front of the ear. Now you take also the section from the other part. Here we go, right here. Okay. It's good. And I'll just do the very front, but there's probably not going to be anything. It's going to be needed. Just a little. Just a little. Okay. Yeah. That's it, guys. Done. 10 minutes. 10 minutes. And trust me, I had did those other haircuts on her first, but it doesn't matter. I could have did it even without that. I just would have cut a lot more hair off right away. But it really looks good. It's a beautiful, pretty layered haircut. And then if you want to shag it even more, let's just say you want more layers, you're gonna take a 90-degree angle in the back. And you're gonna come from the back. And you're gonna look, you can take all that off. Okay, even if they want the length, you're gonna really make it so it's much more layers. So you're gonna point cut that in much, much more. So it's not so heavy on the bottom if they want that more shaggy. Oh, I know which haircut I want to teach you the next time is a shift haircut. Oh my God, I learned this a long time ago and I forgot about it. But it's another way. So this would be a 90-degree angle. It's another way of doing layers, really cool. So you really still want to leave the length, but you really want to get into this, get a lot of that bulk out of there. Oh yeah. And I just want to show you the difference. Okay, this has more layers down here, and this one doesn't. So this would be more shaggy. See that? Which I like this side better. I would want more layers in my hair, and I do. I do a lot more layers in my hair. So, and my top is short. It's like right there, although I do need a haircut. So I will show you how I cut my hair. All right, guys, so that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this fun ponytail haircut, right? We did the wolf haircut first, then the straight up ponytail. Then we did the beach ball, and then we just did the 90-degree. So if you need more layers in the back, you just pull all the hair back and then you texturize it so it blends really nice and seamlessly. And that's about it. So this is Coach Kimmy. If you love these videos, thank you so much for watching. And you could subscribe below and you could let me know the things that you want to learn. I know somebody asked me to do a pixie, and I will do a pixie. And I want to show you the shift haircut. And what else? I love, love, love doing men's haircut. And I just did one, Diego, so you guys could see that. And I like doing, I want to teach you a short haircut with lots of layers. You know, you just start to become creative and you get to design things with layers in different ways. So that's why layers is so great. So anyway, thank you so much, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. God bless. Bye.